How to create a photo collage on Facebook. So here is how you can do it. First of all, launch the Facebook app on a mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, once inside the Facebook app, all you have to do is tap on the photos icon available at the top of your newsfeed at the right side. Or you can also tap on the plus icon and tap on the post option available there. Now choose the photos or videos and tap on the next at the bottom right. Then you can see choose layout option available there. Simply tap on it. Then you will get to see multiple options available of collage. You can simply tap on any and Facebook automatically arrange your selected photos into a collage. Then you can simply write down the caption and post it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.